Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Judilyn Unida Dayag, 35 years old from Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am married and blessed with 2 children, ages 15 and 8 years old. I am high school graduate. My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need when it comes to their children. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia for 6 years. I serve 5 members of the family, including Madam and Sir and 3 kids. My main duties and responsibilities is taking care of the children, taking care of the baby, cleaning the house, wash the dishes, doing the laundry, and ironing. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I need this job to help my family. Ma'am and Sir, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise to finish my contract. I am kindness, hardworking, and trustworthy. Ma'am and Sir, looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you and God bless.